We have learned these numbers. What are these? Well, all these are two-digit numbers. They are formed when two numbers come together to form a single number. So we know this is 10, this is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, right? And these are their number names, right? So how are these numbers actually formed? We see that 1 stays in the first place. So 1 is always here. And in the next place, the numbers increase. So after 0, we have 1. After 1, we have 2. After 2, we have 3. After 3, we have 4, and so on till 9. So numbers increase from 10 to 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on till 19. And what happens after 19? Well, 9 is the trouble number, right? So 9 does not change until this number changes. So this number, that is 1, has to change to 2 so that 9 can change to 0. So after 19, we get 2, 0, 20. So we get 20 after 19. Again, the first place number, that is 2 here, in this case 2, it remains the same all throughout. And in the second place, the numbers are increasing, right? So from 0 to 1 to make it 21. From 1 to 2 to make it 22, right? So it continues in this manner till 29. Okay, so we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. And what about the number names? Well, we have 20, 21, 22, and so on till 29. So what's the important thing which we have to notice here? Well, after 20, the number names have two parts, right? So 20 and 1. First part is 20, second part is 1. In 22, the first part is 20, the second part is 2. So the number names consist of two parts. So how can we better understand this? So when we have 2 in the first place, so when we first write 2, the first number name will be 20, right? So in all these numbers, we have 2 coming first. So in all the number names, we have 20 coming first. So this is the first thing to remember. Next, what about the next part of the number name? So the next part of the number name depends on what we have in the second place. So when we have 1 here, we have 1 here. So when we have 2 here, we have the second part of number name as 2, making it 22. And so on till 9. So making it 29. So 2 in the first place makes this 20. And the number we have in the second place, that name is given as the second name. Now what about 20? We have 0 in the second place. So should we write it 20, 0? Well, no. So 0 means when we have no of something. So that means it's nothing. So we don't need to write 0. So we never write 0. We write only 20. So it is only 20. And then we write 21, 22, 23, and so on. And what happens after 29? What happens? So we know once again that 9 is a troublesome number. It will not change until this number changes. And what will this number change to? So after 2, we have 3, and 9 always changes to give us 0. So we have this, and we already know what number is this, right? We know this is 30. And what's the number name for 30? THIRTY. So this is the number name for 30, right? Now what comes after 30? We know that the number on the left doesn't like to change. It remains, it will not change until unless we have a 9 here. So 3 will stay, right? And what comes after 0? 1, right? So we have a 3, 1. And what is the number name of this number? Well, 30 is 30. So since we have 3 in the first place, the number name of this number will be 30. This is the first part of the number name. And we take the second part from this 1, right? So it is 31. So 3 in the first place makes it 30, and 1 makes it 1. So 31. So 3, 1 is 31. This is what we have here. Now what is the next number? 3 will stay, and after 1 we have 2. What about the number name? From 3 we get the first part, which is 30. And from 2 we get the second part, which is 2. 32. So 3, 2 is 32. Now can you guess the next number and its number name? Well, 3 will remain, 3 in the first place, and after 2 comes 3, and the number name will be 30 from the first part and 3 from the second part. So 33. After 33, we will have 3 and 4 coming together to give 34. So 3 and 4. 34. After 34, 3 and 5, because we have 5 coming after 4. So it is 35. 35. After 35, we have 36, because 6 comes after 5. So this is 36. After 36, we have 3, 7, 37. Then we have 3, 8, 38. And then we have 3, 9, 39. So once again, we see that the first place number is 3. So we have 30 all throughout. And the second place number gives us the second part of the name, right? So this is how we can find the names of all the numbers having 2 digits, right? Now observe something here. This is 30, 30, 30. Now this is 3, and after 3 we have a TY, right? So this TY remains and 3 becomes THIR to give us 30. So when we have 3 and 0 coming together to make a number, we write TY, and this 3 we have changed its form to make it THIR. So 30 is THIRTY. We know that when we have 9 here, this number has to change. So 3 will change to what? 3 will change to 4. And 9 makes way for 0. So this is the next number after 39. 40. So 4 and 0 coming together to give us this new number, right? And what about the number name? So in 30, we have 3 and T coming together to give 30. Over here, we will have 4 and TY coming together to give us the number name. So the number name will be 40. Just note that we have not written this U here. Except for that, it is 4 and TY coming together to give us 40. So this number here is 40. Now what should come after 40? So 4 remains because it is in the first place, and after 0 we have 1. So these are some of the numbers when 4 is in the first place. Let's fill in the missing numbers. So after 4 and 1, which number we will have? So first place will have 4, and in the second place we'll have 2. Then we have 4, 3. Then 4, 4 because 4 comes after 3. Then 4, 5. 4, 6 because 6 comes after 5 and 4 remains the same. 4, 7, 4, 8. Once again 4 will remain the same, and after 8 we will have 9. So we have these numbers, and what are their number names? Well, because 40 is 40, the first part of the number names will be 40 for all these numbers. So this is what it is. The first part of the number names is 40, and the second part depends on what we have in the second place. 41, 42, 43 and so on till 49, right? What happens after 49? Quite simple, isn't it? So 49, Mr. Trouble makes 4, give way for 5, and we have a 0. So this is 5, 0. This is 5, 0, right? What about the number name of this number? Can you guess the number name? Well, when we have 0, we have TY, and this is 5. So we will have 5 here. So 5 and TY, right? So this number name is 50. FIFTY. So 5 changes to FIF, and we have a TY. So 50. Now what is this? 5 in the first place makes it have 50 as the first part of the name, and 8 in the second place means the second part will have the name as 8. So this number name is 58. Now after 58 we will have 59 and then 60, right? So what is the number name of this number? Let's see. So 0 in the end means it will end with TY, and this 6 means SIX, So 6 and ty makes it 60. SIXTY. 60. And this is, because this is 60, because 60 is 60, 66 will have the first part of the name as 60. And the second part we get from this 6. 66. So this is what we have. Now after 66, we will have 67, 68, 69, and then, so 70 means it will end with an ty, and this is 7. So let's write 7. So this is 70. 70 is 70. What about this? 7 and 3 coming together to give 70. And since this is 3, we have a 3. So this is 73. Let's come to this 80. So ty and then an 8. EIGH. T is 8, but I already have a T here, so I'll not write a T once again. So this is 80. EIGHTY. And what about this number? So EIGHTY, 80 for the first place and 4 for the second place. Now can you guess the number name of this number? Well, since we have 9 and 0, we will have ty and 9. So this is 90. What about this? This is 99. And what's the special thing about 99? Well, 2 treble lines together means double the treble. So what comes after 99? Well, we'll learn about it. But for now, you should be thorough with all the numbers till 99 and their number names. So do practice and ensure that you know the numbers, what comes after each number, their number names and their spellings properly. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.